Hi, I'm Nafisa Kapadia from the Bori Kitchen. I've started this on, like my son has made me do this, the Bori Kitchen. It was his idea to get me working. I'm actually 57 years old, but I'm quite happy doing what he has initiated. And he wants me to, and even I would love to continue because I'm getting to meet a lot of new people. And the main thing is I'm enjoying cooking. Like what I've been doing all this time for my family, I'm doing it for young people who really love eating my food. Seeing their smiles on their faces, it really makes me happy. The way they come and hug me after the meal, you know, it is much more than what they pay me. It delivers, like, and it's just that I'm enjoying every bit of it. And the main thing is it has made me active. All these days I just used to sit in front of the TV and watch all these Saas Bahu series. So I was idling, and I used to get on knee pains and everything. Now this has made me more active. I'm enjoying my work, and that's it. And I think I will continue doing this till, my health helps me, till I can do it. And the main thing is I've got the support of my husband. He loves to host people. You know, in our family it is there to entertain people. It has always been. And in fact, the first time when Munaf came up with this idea, the one thing my husband said was, how can you charge anyone to feed them? Then slowly we had to convince him, okay, there should be some motivation in doing it. Every time you just can't invite people and feed them. So that's how we started. And 6 months from, it's been only 6 months journey, but it has been really very, I'm enjoying it. That's the most important thing. In fact, I would like to give a message to the children of the 50-year-olds that they should motivate their parents to do things like this, you know, because I'm really proud of my children. They are making me do this and I'm enjoying it. Even he's loving it, even my husband is enjoying it. So it's fully a family-based, you know, without the family, I don't think we can do anything like this. So it's a family support plus the children. Like my 2 daughters are there, 2 sons are there. They are also very happy of what I'm doing today. So I think it is more than a message for the 50-year-olds, it's a message for the children, you know, that they should make their parents do something like this. Instead of just idling their time, watching TV and doing nothing. So let's hope, like God helps us in our journey and we continue feeding people and bringing smiles on their faces. That's it, I think.
The channel dedicated to us for folks 50 plus
and forever young.
Subscribe to 50 Young today!
Only one thing I would say is live by the day, but have at least thoughts that would last 100 years, dreams and wishes that would last 100 years and keep you going for 100 years.